Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy, yeah, they should give me pommy.
Hello guys, welcome back again. If this is your first time, do us a favor, subscribe. We are on a journey of 300,000 subscribers. If you're just coming back, thank you so much. God bless you for coming back. So guys, I'm so excited. Who doesn't like bargain? I am the queen of bargain. So today I want to share with you guys what I purchased last week on bargain. The most expensive item on what I'm going to share with you guys is $25. So it goes all the way from little household things to personal use. So from $25 to $1. So guys, let's start with the highest start price. So the first thing on the list is Black & Decker rice cooker. This Black & Decker rice cooker is selling on Walmart for almost $30. So $30 plus taxes and handling charges comes up to almost $40. I paid $25 for this. This is a floor model. Let me show you what it is. It's 16 cup. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this. It's brand new Black & Decker. I purchased this from a flea market. So in my city, there's a flea market and there's a lady there that goes from stores to store picking up. I don't know really how she gets her stuff, but amazing stuff. So let's move over to the next item. I love it. I am really so excited about the bargain. Last week I went to this store, what is that called? Bath Body Works. And then when I went there last week, I got this amazing body spray, body mist, $6 each. I also essential frankincense bath oil. I love frankincense and anything that goes with oil, I love it. So it's frankincense and it's a beautiful body wash, and anything with essential oil, count me in. I love this body wash. It's so amazing. Frankincense and myrrh. I love it. So it's all the same price. It's about $6 each for this and that. But you know, I couldn't comprehend myself when I wanted to buy candles. I love candles. I love my entire house to smell like essential oil, especially my bathroom. So I am very, very big in buying scented candles, but I couldn't comprehend myself to pay $15 for one candle from Bath Body and Wash. $15 plus taxes and handling fees are like $20 for one candle. So when I went over to my bargain place, my bargain store, I found similar candles, and these ones are even bigger. Guess what? I only paid $5 each. Can you see the price? Brand new candles, $5 each. I got 3 of this. Woo. So I got 3 of this for $15. No taxes, no handling fees. $15 instead of paying $20 for one candle. Hold on, we haven't finished yet. I also purchased this one from the market, also $3. These candles, similar candles, are going for $12. I paid $3 for this. And then my shopping is now finished. I never knew that Marc Jacobs has nail polish. So when I came home, I went to search online and I see that Marc Jacobs nail polish were going for, was it $37? Let me see. So at Sephora, Marc Jacobs nail polish were going for $24 plus taxes. You're looking at paying how much? 30 something dollars for one nail polish. Katia Bolino only paid $2. $2. Yeah, and I love nail polish. And this is China glaze. I also paid $2 for that. You know what? I can never have enough nail polish. I love nail polish. I have my nail polish collection. Let me share with you guys. Let me show you guys a little bit of my nail polish. So in here are my nail polish. I love nail polish. I can change them like underwears. Nail polish collection. I love it. So moving on now to dollar store. I also stopped over at dollar store. These ones are also, these bottles here, I got them from the market. This company here is called Goody. They are selling these bottles for $7 on their website, and I got it for $2 at the market. So now I also went to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. So I shop from Dollar Tree. I also get more spray bottles. I love spray bottles. So more spray bottles. I love spray bottles. You can use this to mix anything, your body mist, your rose water with glycerin, your rice water spray for your hair, anything that goes down to even the things you use like your disinfectant. They are so awesome. So I love different bottles. I love the colors. Plus I do DIY like on a daily basis. So I need me lots and lots of spray bottles. So okay. And these little bubbles here, I don't even know what they are called, but they help to reduce odor, especially in the bathroom. I love to tuck it behind the toilet. It's air freshener bubbles. I love them. They are also $1 each from Dollar Tree. At Walmart, they are selling them for about $3. So my amazing brush, I got some brush for the face, like to exfoliate your face, exfoliating brush. I also got this from Dollar Tree store. Look what else I got. If you have been to the drugstore to purchase makeup remover wipes, you can tell that the prices range from $5 and above, and I got this from Dollar Tree for $1 each. And you know what I love especially about this one? It has aloe vera in that, so I love it. You can never go wrong, and you can never have enough of wipes, makeup wipes. I love this beautiful sock foot liner. Yeah, it's called the foot liner. Let me open this up. These amazing foot liners, they also, ooh, I didn't know that. It's 2-in-1. So you put it on your feet before you put on your shoes. It helps to protect your toes, especially your baby toes, from corns. You know, when you have small cons, or even when you go to people's house and you're not allowed to wear shoes, carry this with you. It's very, very light. So it's 2-in-1, and I paid $1 for this. This is so amazing. Look at that. It goes all the way to fit your shoes, to fit your feet. Wow, are you kidding me? 1, 2, and 3. It's 2 here. That's the second one in here. Wow, $1. This is an amazing bargain. I love bargain. I love to get things at a very good discount. You can call me Queen of Bargain. Queen of Bargain. Now, you guys will be wondering how to get all these things. Unfortunately, I live in Toronto. If you live in Toronto, you can contact me through my Instagram. I can give you where to get this. But most people in this part of the world are familiar with Dollar Tree. However, Amazon, everything is on Amazon, but I don't think it will be as cheap. Everything is on Amazon, but I don't think it will be as cheap as when you're buying something from dollar store and also from the market, where you're not paying taxes and delivery charges. I love, who doesn't love bargain here? Thank you guys. Share the videos. In the next video, we're going to be talking about some outfits on bargain, or undergarments on bargain. So I love bargain. See you guys. See you guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Bye for now.